Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some press-on gel extensions using nails from Temu. They're super simple. It's a super quick video and they're really cute. So let's get right into it, guys. Say hi. Okay, so these are the nails right here. They're from Temu. You get 480. They're $3 and they are beautiful coffin nails. I really like these a lot. Honestly, I think that they compare to a Prey a lot in my personal opinion, and I've used them quite a few times. So I'm going to take this jelly purple from a Savvyland kit. I do have a video swatching it if you're interested. And this Gayaway, what do you call it? Oh my god, cat eye black polish. It's very glittery and pretty, so I just wanted to give you a close-up on the nail. I've already buffed it, but I just want to show you that how nice the shape is and everything, just so you have an idea of what we're working with here. And I'm just going to place them down on my stands and we're going to get started. These are really simple, really quick. I'm making these because I like to have sets pre-made for myself, so when the nails I have on right now come off, I can just pop these on right away, because I will bite my nails if I don't have nails on my fingers at literally all times. And I do have a video when I made the nails that I'm wearing right now. If you think they're cute and you're interested, you can definitely go check that out in my videos. I'd really appreciate it. And if you can give this video a like for me, I would really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot, and I really am dying to get to my 1K subscriber goal. So maybe if you can share my channel somehow, I would love that, and let me know down below if you do so, and I highly appreciate it, guys. So I'm taking the Gayaway, I think that's how you say it, the cat eye polish to the middle finger and the pointer finger, and I'm just gonna do one coat only. I do cure this for 60 seconds, but you want to make sure that you use your magnet obviously before you cure, because if you cure first, your little magnet pieces won't move. So definitely get to working with your magnet before you cure. And I am just gonna do just a really subtle cat eye effect. I'm not super great at this or anything, but I just love how they look. They're just, I don't know, they're so glittery. Something about cat eye polishes lately, I'm really into them, and I'm getting a package very soon, I believe, from Born Pretty with some of the double cat eye gels, and I'm so excited to try those out. I've only ever tried double cat eyes from, I believe, Temu, and I don't know, they were nice, but I'm sure that the Born Pretty ones are going to be way nicer. So I'm just curing that for 60 seconds. And we're going to now get to work with the purple jelly polish. This is really such a pretty color. I have to say, I think purple is one of my most recent favorites, and this one is just so glassy. It says on the bottle they're like castor oil in the ingredients, and I have another kit, jelly polishes by Savvyland, that are not castor oil, and these ones are definitely more slidey, so I guess that makes sense. But yeah, they're really good, and I cure these for 30 seconds just because they're so see-through. And I am going to do a second coat of the purple. I don't remember if I do that on camera or not, but just to get a little bit more opacity on the purple. It looks pretty with one coat, but I want to do two because I want to see the purple as bright as I can. So after that, I'm just going to do a little cat eye design on the purple nails with the same black that I use, just something really simple. I'm really into coffin nails lately. I have to say, I have been absolutely loving them. I'm going to take this Savvyland base coat and I'm going to use it as my blooming gel. I do not have a real blooming gel right now, but this has been working just fine for me. I do this type of technique all the time. It's one of my favorite techniques to do. I have to say, the cat eye gel doesn't bloom as well as other polishes, at least with this base coat, but it still does a little bit, but it's okay because I just kind of wanted these to have like an outer space-esque type of aesthetic to them. And I just wanted something simple, and I think they turned out really cute. These literally took me no time at all to make. Buffing the nails, I feel like, took me longer than actually making this set, so that's nice. And like I said, that way I have a set ready to go when I need it. I have a little shelf in my nail room where I put sets that are ready to wear, so I'm excited to wear these for sure. Definitely let me know down below what your favorite nail shape is these days. I go back and forth. I have to say, like I said, loving coffins, but stilettos always have a place in my heart, I think, at number one. But so I'm just going to make some dots with this black polish, and no rhyme or reason to this really. I'm just putting it where I think would look good, and I'm going to then, like I said before, use my magnet before you cure. And really that's it. So I'm going to do the same thing on the ring finger and the pinky, and then I'm going to use my magnet, and then I'm going to cure and top coat these, and I'm just going to put a little bit of decoration onto the thumbnail. I wanted these to be simple because they're so glittery. I didn't want to take away from the polish itself, and that's all. I got these cat eye polishes off of Amazon a while back. They were one of my more beginner purchases. They work really, really well. They have really good opacity, especially this black. It's really nice. I like it a lot, and they do have a lot of nice kits. Look how sparkly and pretty these are. I literally can't take it. I can't wait to wear these. But also I have like a jelly nude kit from them, and they're very nice. I've never had any problems with wrinkling or anything like that. Yeah, so I'm just adding a bit more near that cuticle area. And if you're still here, comment me down below some moons and stars so I know that you were this far into the video, and I really appreciate it, guys. Definitely comment down below, say hi. I love talking to you guys. It makes my day that people actually enjoy my nail content. Like, I love you guys so much, and I'm just so happy that you guys love nails as much as I do. So I'm using this Macquarie top coat. I believe I did most of this off camera just because it's super basic. You know how to top coat, but I'm just showing it on the thumb, and this I cure for 60 seconds. And I like to top coat before I put my charms on, and it's also just giving a little extra layer of strength to the nail. But they are very strong in general, and then I top coat again over the charms that I put, and that's what we're looking like. Super glittery, super spacey, galaxy-esque nails, but really easy. So I'm just going to take one of these silvery skull moth charms and a little star rhinestone, and that is it. Can you believe it? And this rhinestone glue from Shein, and I'm going to attach that to the thumb. All the other nails are staying how they are. Thumbs up for a simple nail set. Yeah, so that's the other hand I have ready, and I am just gonna use that to look at, make sure I get my charm in the exact right spot, because if they are crooked, that will literally drive me insane. I need to get some of those like singular nail stands, you know, like for one nail at a time. I definitely am dying to make a purchase on Temu, but I've been holding out because, I mean, how much stuff do you really need? Yeah. And I'm just going to take a wax pencil and get that little charm on there and cure, and then top coat over this guy, and we are going to be all done. I love this rhinestone glue gel. I've had it for so long, and it's still going strong. I still have a nice amount left, and I do have a Marquardt one on backup, but this is like totally the dupe version of it. It was literally $3. Yeah. So if you're looking for one, definitely search that on Shein. I highly recommend it. 5 stars. It works perfect. It holds so well. And now I'm just giving that a good, hearty, even top coat, because I don't want the silver charm to start to get tarnished, and I'm filling in any gaps that I possibly might have missed on the edges with the rhinestone glue gel, because that will help your charms not pop off of your nails. And I'm going to cure this one for 60 seconds. Do you guys have any recommendations of videos you want to see? I'd really like to know. Let me know down below. Any type of press-on designs, any certain shapes, any certain looks, tutorials, or do you want a Gel X tutorial? Let me know, because I haven't done one in a while. I've just been like really having trouble not biting my nails, so just press-ons have been working really well for me for that little problem, bad habit. Hate it so much, so hopefully I can break that soon. And now I'm just popping them off of the nail stands, making sure I get all the putty off, and we're done. Oh, and make sure you stay tuned to the end because I do have a clip of my puppy, and I hope that you enjoyed this set, and I hope that you give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. We love nails here, that's all we do, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi. You sit? What a little good boy.
You lay down.